Senator Bato de la Rosa has challenged the Marcos administration to arrest him and hand him over to the International Criminal Court or ICC, just like it supposedly did with former President Rodrigo Duterte. Mobile journalist Mermon Reyes has the report.
While calls from supporters to bring former President Rodrigo Duterte home from The Hague, Netherlands are yet to see answers, in a phone interview, Senator Bato de la Rosa, who led the Philippine National Police in implementing Duterte's brutal war on drugs during its time, challenged the Marcos administration to also arrest and take him to the International Criminal Court. This followed a report quoting Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, saying de la Rosa could be arrested once a warrant is released. De la Rosa, for his part, still believes the ICC does not have jurisdiction over this matter.
Sige lang, wala man akong problema dyan. Gawin nila, gawin lang anong gusto nilang gawin. If they want to make another mistake, yung ginawa na kay Pangulong Duterte ay napakalaking mistake yun.
But should there be an arrest warrant issued and to be implemented, will the ex-PNP chief turned senator face it?
If you are facing a government that is not observing, is not trying to preserve its sovereignty, then I don't have to answer that question. I will cross the bridge when the bridge is constructed.
Senator Bato added that in the opening of the 20th Congress, before the reconvening of the Senate as the impeachment court, he hopes to settle the Senate's jurisdiction over the impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte. However, he will not attend President Bongbong Marcos's State of the Nation address.
No. Ayaw ko makipagplastikan. Alangan man pupunta ako doon na nakasimangot. Ano pa? Makipagplastikan ako doon sa mga congressman na masama ang loob ko. At mayroon din yung mga tao sa Malacanang na masama ang loob ko.
Senator J.V. Ejercito meanwhile shared that to his knowledge, there might already be 17 to 18 senators supporting Senate President Chis Escudero for leadership. He called having Escudero as Senate President an advantage, especially with the impeachment proceeding needing legal knowledge.
Because these are court proceedings, no? Lahat naman kami, we are versed with the parliamentary rules, pero iba po yung court proceedings. Parang mahirap yata mag-issue ng court rulings kung hindi ka abogado. I think malaking advantage kung si SPCs kasi nga abogado siya.
Ejercito is expected to attend the 2025 SONA, hoping the country's infrastructure and energy status would be tackled, as these are key points for foreign direct investors. Mobile journalist Mermon Reyes, we are One News.